We're now in Astorga, Spain, doing a home inspection, and right behind me is the cathedral in Astorga, and a beautiful cathedral. And we're at the top floor of this building, right in front of the cathedral entrance. And just a few things that a home inspector would find and observe during an inspection is the handrail, or the railing, the guardrail, at the very top level of this apartment unit, condo unit. The spindles are spaced too far apart. There's enough space for a child to actually fall through, and that's not very good because it's about 50 feet down. And so this is a safety hazard. Not only are the spindles spaced too far apart, but the railing itself is too short, according to international residential building codes and standards. And in Astorga, Spain, they tend to have the tiles with the crown up. In Segovia, Spain, it's the complete opposite. They have the tiles with the crown down. So take a look at these tiles, and there's a few cracked tiles and some patching and minor repair that's needed, but it's been here for a while. It rained just a day ago, and I don't see any indications of roof leaks on the interior ceiling. In this house, at the main electrical panel, there are residual current devices, or RCDs. In the United States and Canada, they're called GFCIs. And on the balcony, for privacy and security, we want this railing to be in good shape. And there's the church bells. Also, where the downspout catches the rainwater, it drains through the patio here at the top, and then it goes out through a pipe to the street. And the drain cap has just been removed, but everything looks okay. On the exterior, very minor, I would add some sealant where the windowsill meets the exterior sill. As part of my inspection of the interior, I checked the ceilings of all the rooms below the roof, and I'm looking for defects, including indications of water intrusion. The entire condo here has been renovated, and the kitchen is in great shape. All the appliances, refrigerator, microwave, the kitchen appliances are here, and also, again, the laundry, which is a common thing in Spain, to have the clothes washer and dryer here, and also the dishwasher. It looks brand new, and been running water at the sinks of the bathroom and the kitchen, and because there's no trap, there's a bit of a gurgling noise, but no big deal. And on the outside of the building, in the rear, is the main water supply line coming into the house with a couple shut-off valves, a pressure regulator, and a water meter. And in the cabinet of the kitchen, the cupboard of the kitchen, we have the high-efficiency tankless water heater. It's gas-fired. I like to just take a look at the components. There are some manuals about anomalies and gauges. The cold water has a shut-off valve underneath. It goes in, heats up, and comes out through some distribution pipes. And the exhaust pipe is at the top, and that goes outside, exhausting through the wall. Everything looked great. I'll run some water at the bathroom sink, just to make sure. And one of the most important parts of inspecting a house in Spain is checking out the bathroom. So I'll run the hot and cold at all the fixtures in the shower. I'll open and close the shower doors. I'll take a look at the receptacles, run water at the kitchen, at the bathroom sink, hot and cold, take a look at the drain pipe, flush the toilet, make sure it's secured to the floor, and then take a look at the surfaces. Typically, really nice tile work. I'll take a look at the grout lines. And right next to the toilet is a really great ventilation system. It's actually a window that uniquely opens up to the old chimney stack. So inside here is the chimney stack that was used commonly by all of the occupants on all 4 levels of the building. And the smoke would rise up and go out through the top. It's been coated and plastered, and now it's used simply for utilities. Some electrical wires, but mostly plumbing. Unfortunately, the plumbing stack has been reduced from a large diameter pipe to a very small diameter pipe, and the vent pipe doesn't actually extend above the termination of the chimney stack. So in certain conditions, some certain weather conditions, you could imagine all of this coming back into the bathroom, not really exhausting out as you would expect or hope for. So this could be a concern. So that concludes our home inspection, a very quick home inspection in Astorga, Spain, right in front of the cathedral in Astorga. So I'm Ben Gromicko from Internachi. Let's go to the next house.